Welcome to Adams Automotive. Hello, I hear it's your first time visiting our facility today. My name's Joe Adams, this is Adams Automotive. I can't wait to serve you soon. When you pull up on the drive at Adams, you're gonna get greeted with a smile by one of our amazing front of the house team members. Combined, our team has over 100 years of industry knowledge and experience. Import and domestic, no matter what problem you throw our way, we are well equipped to handle it. At Adams, we have master level technicians working on the vehicle. We actually have over 50 bays, and we're proud to say that we're the largest independently owned, family owned automotive repair facility in the country. Here at Adams, we're providing world-class service to the community. Your friends and neighbors have already provided us with over 1,000 five-star Google reviews, and that's something to be proud of. Thank you again for the opportunity to earn your business. I can't wait to serve you soon.